Have a look at this affiliate program. Just like the other affiliate programs that I have covered, this affiliate program is a powerful addition to any affiliate marketing portfolio. You can make a good bit of money with Budget Golf month after month. Check this out. Budget Golf sells golf apparel, golf clubs, golf balls, golf footwear, and other golf accessories. Think about it. Millions of people play golf. It is a very popular sport and many of these people need equipment and suppliers to enjoy the game they love. That means your opportunity to make money is huge. There is always a golf player buying new gear. Selling golf-related products is easier than some niches since it is so targeted. Golf-related keywords are searched over 1.2 million times each month. This provides a tremendous opportunity for you to make sales by keyword strategies necessary to place your affiliate links in prominent places all over the web. The average sell is around $125 plus and affiliates receive 3% of each sell. Affiliates are using keyword strategies to place their affiliate links in search engine results. This is a good affiliate program for beginners, intermediate and professional affiliates. Download this free guide below and learn how to position and drive traffic to your affiliate links and get your share of these sales. Also, see the resource for grabbing the keywords you need below.